Welcome to day 3 of the series, How to Go From Where You Are to Where You Want to Be. Have you ever wondered there are some people who set goals but they never start to take action on their goals? Another category of people, they set goals, they start to take action but they give up eventually. There are another category of people who set goals, who take consistent action towards their goals, and hence their probability of achieving their goals is very high. There are only two reasons why people start to take consistent action on their goals. Reason number one, they're really interested to get what they want. They're really interested to achieve their goals. For example, if you ask me, I want to travel throughout the world. Otherwise, I feel my life is so hollow. My life is empty. I feel I did not live my life to the fullest. And hence, I make the necessary arrangements to gather money, time, health, like-minded people. Desire is anyway there. I will make sure I will gather all the resources required for me to travel throughout the world because I'm really interested in it. Second reason why people take consistent action towards what they want is because, you guess, because it is a necessity for them. For example, let's say that you did not have your lunch because you didn't have time. You wanted to travel somewhere, but then you ended up somewhere that you don't have access to food. Now it's night, it's time to have your dinner, but there is no access to food. You just have 1 liter of bottle and you're filling your stomach with that water itself. How long? Definitely you'll be hungry, right? But you don't have access to food. So next day morning you wake up, you really want to have food, you're very hungry, but there is no access to food. Now what is happening in your life? Everything in your life is out of sight, out of mind. Correct? Out of sight and out of mind. For me, I just want to have food right now because it is a necessity. Correct? So the question is your goal a necessity? Only if your goal is a necessity, in spite of how much ever obstacles come, you are going to make sure that you achieve your goals. Correct? So if you're really interested and if your goal is a necessity, then only you will start to take consistent action towards what you want. It's very simple. Right? So please subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, because if you like my video, if you subscribe to my channel, then my video will reach larger audience and I'll be adding more value through my videos, which is my purpose of this channel. So please help me in doing that.